farmhouse decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some farmhouse interior decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Farmhouse interior decoration combines rustic charm with cozy, timeless elegance. Here are some key ideas to incorporate farmhouse style into your home. Furniture, wooden accents. Use weathered or reclaimed wood for tables, chairs, or shelving. Slipcover seating. Offer white or neutral slipcovers for sofas and armchairs for a relaxed, inviting look. Farmhouse tables. Choose a sturdy farmhouse style dining table with matching or mismatched wooden chairs. Colors and textures. Layered textures. Incorporate natural materials like jute rugs, linen curtains, and knitted drawers. Neutral palette. Stick to soft whites, beiges, grays, and earthy tones. Subtle pops of color. Add soft greens, dusty blues, or warm yellows through decor or fabrics. Wall and ceiling treatments. Wood beams. Expose or add wax wooden beams to ceilings for rustic charm. Window signs or artwork. Display typography or farm-themed artwork for character. Shiplap or redwood. Install this for classic farmhouse style walls. Kitchen. Apron front sink. Incorporate a white farmhouse sink for an iconic touch. Open shelving. Showcase dishes, jars, and utensils on open wooden shelves. Wicker and wire baskets. Use this for storage on countertops or shelves. Industrial lighting. Hang metal pendant lights or candeliers over the kitchen island. Decor and accessories. Cozy pillows and drawers. Add plate, striped or solid colored cushion to sofas or chairs. Galvanized metal. Add elements like metal buckets, trays, or light fixtures. Vintage wires. Use antique clocks, distressed frames, or alloy wire for authenticity. Rustic mirrors. Choose wooden framed or wood diamond mirrors for walls. classic spindle or slanted headboards. Side tables. Choose wooden or distressed bedside tables with vintage lamps. Living room. Fireplace focus. A stone or brick fireplace is a hallmark of farmhouse style. Built-in shelves. Decorate with books, pottery, and greenery. Chunky furniture. Go for oversized, comfortable seating. Incorporate industrial elements. Mix in industrial style decor like metal bar, steel, pipe shelving, or steel fixtures to contrast with the softness of rustic elements. Industrial lighting or hardware can modernize the look without overpowering it. Keep the space personal. Display family heirlooms or handmade crafts that have sentimental value. Incorporate your personality with unique touches like a gallery wall of vintage prints or family recipes written on boards. Focus on the entryway. Create a welcoming farmhouse vibe with a wooden bench, hooks for hanging hats or bags, and a wicker basket for shoes or accessories. Add a simple gate or a welcome sign to the door. Don't overcrowd the space. Farmhouse decor thrives on simplicity and balance. Avoid clutter by choosing a few standout features instead of over-accessorizing. Rotate seasonal decor to keep things fresh while maintaining a clean look. Layer rugs for warmth. Start with a neutral jute or seashell rug as the base. Then layer a smaller pattern rug like buffalo check or Persian and